Hello everyone, my name is Alpesh and I am a mobile application developer. Today I am going to help you with running Android emulator in MacBook Pro M1. Now because new MacBook Pro M1 do not support Android emulator, so it is very hard to run any of the application from Android Studio to emulator. Here I will open up the Android Studio. We can see my application. I have created a sample application, my application. Here we will click on the AVD manager. Here we can see I have already created a virtual device. I will click to open it, but it will say could not start AVD. So now because this M1 chip do not support emulator, so Google has developed one emulator which we need to download from a website. Here is the website. I will share this link in the description. We can see this is initial preview V2 which is launched. I will download this .dmg file. It will download, but I have downloaded one and kept it on my desktop. So I will try installing from there. I will click here. Okay, so here we need to move it to application. Now because I have already one instance, so it is asking me to keep both, stop or replace. I will say replace. Now it is copying Android emulator to application. It is done now. We will search emulator, click on the emulator. It is launching. Let's wait. Now we see a message here. Android emulator cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. To resolve this, we have to go to System Preferences. I went to System Preferences. Security and privacy. Here we see Android emulator was blocked from use because it is not from an identified developer. I will say open anyway. Click on the open. Now we can see the emulator is launching. This is very simple emulator which is in development stage and Google is developing it. Now we can see this is sample emulator which has been launched. Now I will come to my sample application. Here we'll see virtual device. We'll select it, click on the install app or run the app. Once the build is successful, we can see the application is installed. So this is how we can test any application in the emulator. So this is the way how we can use Android emulator from Android Studio for MacBook Pro M1. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot.